Hi guys, how are you all doing? I hope you're all doing fabulous. Welcome to another unboxing. Yes guys, I received this recently and I'm excited to share it with you. This is the first time for me to do this, and I will give you a hint. This is about makeup and I'm not pro in putting makeup, okay? So we'll see how it's gonna be. So, alright guys, let's check it out. iMethodbeauty gifted me with this eyebrow stamp and stencil kit, and it says here, just stamp perfect eyebrows in seconds. I don't know how it's gonna be. It says there in seconds, but probably with me it's gonna take a bit longer. All right, so as you can see guys, my eyebrows are not that great. They are my natural eyebrows. I did not put anything on it. They're kind of like all over the place and they're not that long compared to others. So alright guys, so we'll see how it's gonna be. This kit includes stencils, eyebrow stamp, dual ended spool or spoolie, and angled brow brush, step-by-step instruction, and of course 100 customer service guarantee. So this is the stamp guys. Okay, it says here, wake up your dream brows. There it is, from iMethodbeauty. These are the steps to follow on how to use it. And this one is eyebrow stamp stencil instruction. Here's another card from them guys. It says, hello iMethod fan, be your best self. Should be applied to all of us guys. Be your best self. So whatever will happen to my eyebrows, even though it won't be the best, but we should be our best self. Okay guys, it says here on the other side, you're the best. Okay, let's check what else in here. So we have this one guys, and of course it also comes with the stencils guys as mentioned. So let's see which one we will use and let's start. So I chose this one, and here it says shooting stars. Inside it comes with that we have to remove. But first I will use this brush to brush my eyebrows like that. Okay, I don't know if you can see it, but as you notice, my eyebrows are not really that great. And we will use this iMethod stamp. Open it. We just have to turn this that way. Okay, and the powder is in here. Okay guys, and this is the stamp. So this is my first time to use this one guys, so please bear with me. Okay, so I'm dipping it in here to make sure I get enough, and if not, we can always add. I'm gonna start stamping. I want to try, whoops, that looks like it's too much. Okay, so we'll see guys. I'm just gonna go slow. I can't really see where I'm stamping guys, but I'm just following that line. Okay, all right, let's see. What do you think of it guys? I'm not used to having dark eyebrows guys, and I think that one looks so dark, but anyhow, we can of course fix it with our brush. Okay, I have a small mirror here that I'm going to use so I can see better. There we go. No, this one that we chose a while ago guys, the shooting star, really did not work for my eyebrows, aside from the fact that I'm not a pro in doing these things, as I mentioned a while ago. This one, I guess, is too big for my eyebrows, so I just, you know, wipe it off a little bit. That's why this one now is a bit darker compared to this one. But no worries, guys, because with this eyebrow stamp, there is always a solution. All right, if that was an epic fail for me, hopefully this time I will do better with this one. We'll go with classic this time, guys, because this one is kind of like smaller and it seems as if it's gonna work on my eyebrow. As you can see, Shooting Star is really thick compared to classic. Okay, guys, I don't know if you can see the difference, but there it is. So again, I'll position it here, okay, like that. We'll try and stamp it. Okay, guys, I'm just gonna go lightly first since this eyebrow is already a bit dark. All right, guys, there it is. I think it looks better than the first one a while ago. This classic, I think, is the best shape for my eyebrows. And with that said, I'm just gonna clean this stencil and I will also use it in here. All right, let's do it. Hopefully this one will also turn out like our left eyebrow. All right, guys, you ready for the final reveal? All right, let's check it out. What do you think of it, guys? So we decided to use the classic, right? After that Shooting Star that really didn't work out. And I think this classic stencil is the best shape for my eyebrows. And of course, if you guys are like me or are really good in putting makeup, don't give up, because there's always a solution in having a perfect eyebrows, because with iMethods, they will send you lots and lots of stencils like this one that has different shapes, and if the other one doesn't work for you, try the rest, okay? And perfect match for your eyebrows. All right, guys, I think this kit is so handy and easy to use. I know I struggled a bit. I mentioned I'm not a pro. I don't usually do my eyebrows. Eyebrows are wash and wear, right? So trying those stencils on my eyebrows was really like a challenge for me, but at the same time I had so much fun. So if you want to try this eyebrow stamp and stencil kit from iMethodbeauty, feel free to click the link in the description below and have perfect eyebrows in seconds. It might take a bit longer, it depends how good you are, but it's very easy, guys. So I'm sure with a bit of practice, I'll be able to do it faster next time. I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. Please don't forget to leave me a comment. Let me know your thoughts about this. And if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you will get notified every time I post a video. And to those of you who are always there for me, supporting me all these years, thank you, thank you, thank you all. Thank you, iMethodbeauty, for sending me your products to try out. I really enjoyed doing it. Stay safe, everyone. Stay well, stay happy. Till next time. Bye.